To the science video! Today, we are going to talk about convection and how you tell the difference from other forms of heat transfer. First of all, convection is the transfer of heat through the movement of currents in the air or water.
The currents occur when warm air meets cool air. The warm air is pushed upwards because of its lighter density, also known as heat rises.
In this experiment, we will demonstrate what happens in convection. Now, look at this boiling water. As it heats, bubbles of hot air begin to rise to the top and into the air. Now, if we blow on the bubbles on the top, what do you think would happen and why? And this is a question for you to answer in class first. We'll give you 5 seconds to pause. 5 seconds?
Just cut that in half.
Okay. Now we're going to blow on the bubbles and see the result. As you can see,
the bubbles die down temporarily and more steam comes because the heat is being pushed away by the cool air, but since heat is still being made, the bubbles will resume shortly.
As you can see. Now, we're going to do a little game to study some. We're going to tell these different types of heat transfer apart. Now, as you already know, convection is the transfer of heat as a result of moving currents of water or air.
Conduction is the transfer of thermal energy from one substance to another through direct contact. Radiation is the process in which energy is emitted as particles or waves.
And we got these definitions on Quizlet. Give us some extra credit. Teacher, give us some extra credit, okay? Yeah. All right. Now, question 1. Label this picture. Let me put a picture up here.
Let me see your picture.
All right. It's not done yet. Gotta wait for it.
Okay.
Wait for it to be in there. Okay. Now, as you can, so this is for you guys to do. Point it out, pause it in the classroom. You see it, okay?
Yeah.
Question 2. What is warm breath? What is it? What is warm breath? What kind of heat transfer? Answer. Answer.
You want to do it in the freezer?
Answer. Answer. Make a guess.
Number 3, sun. What's that?
What is the sun? What kind of heat transfer is coming on? How does the heat from all the way to the sun get all the way to Earth? Answer.
Now.
Okay. Number 4.
The water cycle.
As we all learned in grade school, the water cycle is all like evaporation, condensation, precipitation, you know, all of that stuff. It comes down. But what's the heat transfer that's happening here? We'll give you like 3 seconds to like pause, or you can just answer. So like 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, finally, soup is hot. When your soup is way too hot, okay? Like you got a spoon and somebody has cooked your soup, but they have like set it on fire like 300 times. And then like you put it and your spoon is on fire. What kind of heat transfer is happening?
Answer now or die. From heat.
Yes.
And fire.
All right.
As Libby described.
Okay. Now, that's all we have for the video today. And I hope you enjoyed it. And
We're done.
we're done.
Bye.
Bye.
Pause. Go.
Pause.
Class is over. Smile.